What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the recap with LCAOD. Today is August the 14th. And man, what a day in the market. What another big day. What a wonderful day. And running on some technical difficulties right now, as you can see, with the platform. But hopefully by the time we get to where we need to get to, we can go ahead and that'll be ready. But S&P 500 today, you guys. NASDAQ closed higher Monday. That's pretty much what happened. Before we go any further, hold on. This is recap coverage from the stock and crypto market. These are live ideas of thought and studies. This is not financial advice on this stream or with this company. So with that being said, now I can talk to y'all how I want to talk to y'all. S&P 500, NASDAQ close higher Monday. Aztec stocks make a comeback. That's pretty much what happened. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ composite rose Monday as Wall Street lifted higher by a rebound in chip stocks and tech names. The broad market index added 0.5%, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ gained 1%. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average traded up about 21 points, or 0.07%. So the market bounced from the bottom, technically. That's what you saw. And, we was in a bull market, as I've been saying. So y'all knew that. Most of y'all knew that. Levels, all that, was told yesterday. So should have expected that and saw that, and it happened. You should have played on it. Should have reacted on it. Most people did, and it was lit today. But a lot of volatility on a day with no data. So just expect the rest of the week to be definitely extra volatile. Starting tomorrow. So the market did bounce, you guys. We were in a bull market. Now, the Bears have had momentum. They have, and it was strong. But it looks like it's a possibility that the momentum is done. The downgrade has already happened now. You just never know. And it can go either way. You got to see more push, obviously, to the upside and going further. So that's just what you got to be worried about. And it can go either way, like I said, from where it's at. We're still really in the same range here. Still having technical difficulties, still not ready yet, but still in the same range though. And the overall market is in the same range basically, but it just got a little pop up here and the bull market. So of course, bulls are excited. They see the momentum coming back in, and the market did go up today, hit all the targets the LCAOD expected, and you should have expected if you had listened to LCAOD. You could have learned that and earned that. Just really how it is. It's not about, who's giving the message. It's all about progressing the message. So, per se, it doesn't matter who's telling you it. As long as you understand what's the message is being related to, then you can be profitable. Some of y'all, you got to stop being egotistic. You got to stop having your feelings involved. You got to stop saying, well, why is this happening? Or why is that happening? Or why is this person noticed? Or how does he? None of that matters. This is a business before anything. So you got to understand, the market is going to go up and down. Can't be having your feelings about that. You got to just follow the flow. That's just what it is. I try to tell people it's like a train. You want to get on there before it starts moving. Or you're just going to have to wait, and it's not good to, wait. When you're waiting on the train, think about it. It's Never know, it might not come back. So it's just like think of it as an analogy in your way that you can understand it, and go from there. But I mean, don't hold your head, and like I said, win, lose, or draw, stay humble. That's really what it's about. And understand what's happening. If you lose, and learn from it, and then fix it. Boom, and understand what's going on. If you're winning, congratulations to you. Find more ways to be uh, uh, better and become even more profitable. You know, if it's a draw to you, figure out how to just get away from the fine line. Always just like it's not for me. I'm gonna just stop it. Figure out how to stop stopping your wins and stop stopping your losses. You know, figure it out. So this is what it's all about at the end of the day, you guys, and you just really got to know that. But data here, is really starting tomorrow. So really, like I said, you got a volatile day today on a Monday, and all this volatility just was continuing from last week. So and with no data, so just imagine, like I said, tomorrow you got retail sales, 8:30 a.m. We got New York Fed PMI index on Tuesday. Housing starts. We got a lot of data, so it's gonna be very, very, very volatile. Expect that. And just know that going further here, let me check here. We see if we back online. Not yet. Not yet. Still not yet. Okay. Still loading. Still loading. Okay then. But yeah, man. So data though, like I said, that's pretty much what's going on. Retail sales tomorrow, New York Fed PMI index on Tuesday. That's it. That's where everybody's on, one day at a time. And then Wednesday coming in, we got a lot of data on Wednesday. Fed minutes, 2 p.m. on Wednesday. That's gonna be key. Uh, so those, Tuesday and Wednesday is about to get very, very more volatile than you saw today. We do got earnings tomorrow kicking off here. We got C Limited going first with Home Depot. So it's about to get very volatile with the earnings going. And U.S. housing data this week. So that's key as well. That's pretty much the economic data. Jobless claims data on Thursday. And it's pretty much as far as data. What you need to know is what's important this week. And the earnings, like I said, Walmart, Home Depot, Target. Home Depot go first starting tomorrow morning. So be on the lookout for Home Depot to see where they're going to end up. And because they're going to have a huge effect. They're going to have a huge effect on the overall market. So Home Depot is a good company, obviously. Classic company. Uh, so yeah, man. Good earnings this week. Slight good earnings this week. And then that's pretty much it. Far as data, you guys. That's what you want to know this week. And one stock to buy, one stock to sell this week. Buy Walmart, sell Target. That's what they're saying. And yeah, that's what they're saying. So we're gonna see if that's right or not eventually. Huh? All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So yeah. Still having some technical difficulties. I'm offline. It's still not even picking that up. As far as the password now. Ooh. So I need to put my password in on my live stream channel here that I'm recording the recaps on. Really, really funny. Hold on, you guys. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Just need to get back online, and we can go from there. So we'll be able to look at the charts and numbers, you guys. Let me get back online. But yeah, as far as data though, that's pretty much it. And Just trying to see what's going on with the internet right now. Could be me. But we're live. We're 10 minutes in. We're rolling. So could be Twitter is down. Let me check another platform. I don't even know why. Yeah, they're tripping too. Everybody. It might be the Wi-Fi then. Trying to refresh this leave. Oh no, we're online. Oh, okay, yeah, we're online, you guys. Okay. I don't know. I think Twitter maybe X may be down, you guys. Something wrong. Something might be wrong with X. This might be a malfunction or something for now. I don't know. I apologize. I was trying to show you guys the indices close and the vibe, but looks like I won't be able to do that. So when X relocates, just check it out on your own time. Add Let Cash on X, aka Twitter, aka X. Let's go ahead and get into the SPY, you guys. Woo! Let's look at the SPY. Let's go get into the charts and numbers. I ain't gonna hold y'all. So data, we went over data. Now let's get into the charts and numbers. Starting with the SPY. What did we say the SPY was gonna do, you guys? 448. If you check out that last recap, you saw the drawings. You can go check it out yourself. Hit the like and subscribe button. But 448 was the target. And the reason being, LCAOD, we saw that being a target because it was just a lot of scattered trading there in this area where it was really realizable where it was actually no trading in this area. So now I think the market, the bulls are just going to try to be able to actually trade in this area. Now, if they don't, I think it'll go back to the normal that it has been doing, which is a takedowns, takedown, 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 takedown. Even a takedown here in pre-market. So if it starts to look sketchy here right now, right, 448.51, if it doesn't look like it's about to push, it just looks like the SPY is going to just, channel a takedown here because that's just what it's been doing. That's the new normal. And this takedown can really sink you down to 442, though, like a new lower low. And then, this may really cause some fear. So it can go either way, obviously, still, like I said, going into tomorrow, the SPY, but that's what LCOD noticed to know that it was going to push to 448.51 first. So congratulations, everybody, by our calls. You know how we do. You know how we rock. We getting money over here. We getting money over here. But man, at the end of the day, though, like I said, 448 was an area, just an area where, far as like I said, it was scattered trading. So now, like I said, I think the Bulls really just want to actually trade in this area. I mean, before maybe the push of 450, but I mean, they can push to 450 instantly and just get out of this area. This area doesn't have to necessarily be traded in per se, but it just looks like it needed to be traded in because we just, like I said, there's a lot of scattered little trades here going on. Too many gaps and flush throughs. No real trading in that area, and that can't be the case because we're in a bull market. So obviously, it was going to go back up. So at the end of the day, you just got to understand what's going on now. We're in a bull market, you guys, and Bears just lost their little momentum that they had, and they can regain it really fast. So that's what you got to be on the lookout for right now, going further. We're in the bull market. Bulls just got their momentum back, and now they need to just hold it at least or push up because if not, I think the Bears will just steal it again like they have been doing, and it'll just come back down. So it's going either way here, going further, but. Going into tomorrow, the 1 day perspectives right here on the SPY. It's at 448.51, you guys. The numbers you need to look out for, the next levels here, charts and numbers. This is how you become profitable. You go ahead and get these calls or puts or whatever ahead of time. You or buy it right there on the breakouts. And this is how you become profitable. So this is what I do this for. So here to the upside. 450, right? The SPY needs to push to what, 450, If it breaks above 450, the next level, they're going to retest that CPI level, you guys. The next breakout level is 451.69. They're going to retest that CPI level if this retail data is good tomorrow, you guys. So just be on the lookout for that because it can really happen. Now, and also be on the lookout too, though, if we get rejected here, because this has been resistance. This whole area has been. So see if we get rejected here or here, you know, maybe even here, really close. This is what you got to be looking out for. Resistance right here. So this is the resistance, you know, or it's going to turn into support. You know what I mean? And then it's going to, if it turns into support, then meaning the breakout will continue, obviously. But, you know, if it's at resistance, then, you know, it's going to come back down. So be on the lookout for that because that's what's been going on. Then, you know, so you want to be on the lookout for that to see, you know, if it holds right here. You know, like I said, this is what we do this for. We do this to make money, you know, LCAOD. We do this so people can be profitable. Everybody can be profitable. But these are the upside levels, though. Like I said, just be on the lookout for that going into tomorrow. Now, here to the downside. Obviously, it can go either way, right? Look at the chart now. It's been downward momentum, but it's coming from an upward momentum as well. Got to really look out. When down, zoom out. 3 months here. It started out here. Now we're over here. It can really break back out here, you guys. It can. Or it's going to break back down here. Let's being simple with it, right? So, as of right now, we're here, right? So, what you need to understand, we'll raise the Jones. Right here, this area right here, you guys. Tomorrow to the upside, like I said, 448. If it pushes, if it's above 449 in pre-market, or if it's, you know, fighting through and pushing towards 450, and just see, like I said, if it breaks out to the CPI level, 451.82, we might, like I said, be retesting that or getting rejected there. So that's the next level to the upside you should be expecting here going further. Now to the downside, you don't see that at all. 448 don't hold. The next low level I'm looking out for is 447. If that don't hold, then I'm looking out for 446. If that don't hold, you guys, then I'm expecting to flush through right back here at 444 to the downside. And I think that'll just like complete, you know, whatever the Bulls just made today, you know, just will be wiped out tomorrow. Just that simple. It can just go like that. So I mean, they'll all take profits. So what you just seen the Bulls buy the dip today, you know, they will sell it tomorrow. So it can go either way. Just be on the lookout for this. Like I said, those levels on the spot going into tomorrow. Triple Qs. Check out the last recap. Check out the last recap. Hit the like and subscribe button. The drawings were correct. The levels were right. Triple Q's right here at 371. So knew they were going to do that. So at this point, you know, and the Triple Q's today, wow. When they rallied like this, you guys, NVIDIA rallied. Congratulations to you guys who brought in NVIDIA at 405 and 410. Wonderful, wonderful day. And you're still holding. You know, some of you got out, but hey, to each his own. The ones that still holding, it's still going up in the after hours. I was looking at that. So the video, you know, was a huge upgrade today. Everybody bought into the AI hype again. Right back when you thought the AI hype was dying out or dead. They fooled you. They brought the dip at the AI again. And like I said, you had to expect that because that was too much overselling there. And, you know, you got earnings with a company like that next week. They're not going to let that just keep free falling. So they brought that dip really quick. And the video's up like $35, $40 today. But it really brought the Triple Qs up. Triple Qs brought the video up. So it was working hand in hand. But it was a wonderful day on the Triple Qs, you guys. But they right here closed at 371. So going into tomorrow, It just looks like the triple Q's the upside levels. They need to break above 372 here. If they can get to 372, 373, 7 cent and hold it, the next level is 375.23. And I think, you'll see more rallying on the video as well, and everything in the Nasdaq continue. They'll go right back up to right where they were, like nothing never happened. So be on the lookout for this to happen here, going into tomorrow, going further here. Now to the downside, because it can go either way here. Triple Q's here. If 370 don't hold here, and this is your top, and it becomes resistant, it's not support. To the downside here, I'm looking for 368 back test here, and then I think the triple Qs will probably just sit here at least and consolidate before. If the ear is going to break down, they're going to break all the way down. It's going to be all the way down back here to 366 here, you guys, to the downside on the triple Qs, and then that's just depending on the data that's about to come out this week, and all this unexpected fear been happening out of nowhere, so you just never know. But these are the levels, these are the numbers. Be on the lookout for it going into tomorrow, going further. DIA, the DIA, Dow Jones, 353 right here. Next level tomorrow I'm looking out for is 354 here to the upside. If that holds, I'm looking for a push all the way back to 355 here on the DIA, you guys. And I think, that'll be a good level right here before, like, if the data is good and then there's more data with the Fed minutes, you just sit right here and consolidate. Like I said, the bulls now, they've already been here. They've been here all year. So now they just got to consolidate here. That's what the chart is showing, that they haven't consolidated here since about July. So, it's been a while. So that's about 2 months to investors is a long time. So they just need to pop up and consolidate here to the upside of DIA. That's what I think they're trying to do, and I think they can do it going into tomorrow, going further. But if not, here to the downside here, I am looking at it closely here. I think if this 353.23 level don't hold, the next low level I'm looking out for is 352. If that don't hold, the next level is 351 to 350 on the DIA to the downside, you guys. And that's what can end up happening there. Either way, going into tomorrow, going further here with the data. IWM. The IWM, you guys, small caps versus 2,000 little small shares. You want to go long on them, obviously, 2 to 5 years out. I tell everybody that they got the most time to do so to really show you that what they're about, those companies. And 190 on the IWM. So the upside levels tomorrow I'm looking out for is 191.75. That holds. The next level I'm looking out for is 192.95 on the IWM to the upside. Now, like I said, that'll continue the bullish momentum, and then people will really start to see, oh yeah, the bulls definitely are. They didn't go anywhere. This is still their market. LCAOD been saying that we should have listened. Oh man, so it'll get to that point. So just be on the lookout for that to the upside. Now to the downside here, if not, because it can go either way. You feel me? It really can go down tomorrow. So because the Bears have been having momentum here to the downside. So it can go either way. But right here, they're at 190. So I'm looking for to the downside tomorrow. If 190 don't hold, the next low level I'm looking out for is 189.32. If that don't hold, then I'm looking for a flush through at 188 even on the IWM here to the downside. So it can go either way. Going into tomorrow. VIX, volatility, speed of the market, the direction of the market. This index, volatility S&P 500 index, this is what it means. The volatility is the speed of the market. It's the direction of the market, the VIX. That's why we follow it. That's why we look at it before we trade or invest, because it helps us be profitable. You don't want to really be playing without that. So, the VIX, the volatility, the speed of the market. If the VIX is up, you guys, the market is down. If the VIX is down, the market is up. So that's how the VIX works. And the VIX went down today, so the market went up. And that's just what happened today, you guys. And that's just what's going on. And we're really getting closer and closer to that gap fill. You know, it's taking a while, but it could easily happen. But you know, the VIX put in this candle here today. So another big red candle, but still in the same area. So they're consolidating. They can really still pop up here, and the market can come down. So it can go either way on the VIX, obviously as you can see. But or it's either that gap fill. So that's where it's going here. But going into tomorrow, upside levels on the VIX, I'm looking for a break back above $16.50. If the VIX pop back that high, the market is coming down. I'm looking out for that. So that's what I'm expecting there to the upside levels on the VIX. You know, it can go either way though. To the downside, uh, to keep this bullish momentum, you know, you see the bulls just rallied today, basically just went right back up like nothing happened last week and over the weekend. So, you know, I'm looking for a gap fill right here at $14.28 on the VIX, and if that happens, you know, I'm gonna get in on the call side. I know the market is gonna rally. The market's gonna go up, you guys. You know, it's gonna be time to buy shares and everything. So that's the levels I'm looking out for on the VIX. Going into tomorrow, going for the Caterpillar. Caterpillar hit that downside target right there, almost at 280, about $1 off, but 281 was close enough. So hopefully someone out there took this idea and, you know, was profitable with it, because it really did get close to 280, but it did bounce, you guys. So Caterpillar is in a zone where, you know, that 290 is still playable over here. And it's looking even better because you got whatever the selling pressure was out the way, and just out the way again right there. So you got it out the way. So that's cool. 290 can easily happen now on Caterpillar. So that's what I'm still expecting here going further here by the end of the week. Going long, man, going long. So, but tomorrow upside levels, 285 break. I'm looking out for a 288 bust through on Caterpillar all the way to the target 290. So that's what I expect on Caterpillar coming soon, man. Like I said, this could happen tomorrow, the end of the week, next week. It's coming soon, and especially if the Bulls regain all their momentum back and re-rally and go higher than they were previously in the past couple months. So that's what we're looking out for. That's what we're expecting. But if not, to the downside here, I am looking out for a flush back to 282. If that don't hold, I'm thinking Caterpillar really will give up that 280 this time to the downside. So it can go either way, and I'm looking out for that to happen going further. Amazon. Oh, Amazon hit the target right there at 140, right? So that double top is coming to actual reality. That's what's happening right now. That double top informant is forming out, and you know, they're not done. They're still not done. You know, they're just really getting there. If you check out the last video, last recap, hit that like subscribe button. Just basically already said this, and they're right here at it. So you know, double topping in on Amazon. They still not done, not complete double top yet, but forming up there. So 140 on Amazon. They got some news too there towards the end of the day, like last 10 minutes. People call it a 10-minute rig. But they got some good news right there. Amazon did pop right there. So expect a lot of volatility tomorrow, especially if that retail data is good. Amazon will probably pop, and if we go ahead and form that double top tomorrow, if that data is good, because they had some data that came out on them at the end of the day. So that was good for Amazon. But yeah. So people buying in on Amazon. Like I said, everybody's shopping Amazon. So tomorrow, you guys, upside levels I'm looking out for 141.60 here. If that breaks through here, the next level I'm looking out for is 143, and that's the target. I think that'll complete the double top right there at 143, and then they might even keep going. You know, they might even keep going. They might even go ahead and take it to 145, I'm hearing. But, you know, let it play it step by step, day by day first before you can go long. You know what I'm saying? Unless you're really putting time on it. But, you know, at the end of the day, to each his own. Now, to the downside, though, it can go either way, obviously. So 140 looking like it's not about to hold. And it flushes through, the next level I'm looking out for is 138.97. And if that don't hold here to the downside, I'm looking out for about 136.80 on Amazon. I think that's a target that, you know, since earnings, it'll definitely attract more buyers if it comes down again. It's Amazon, but you know, it can go either way. So that's what I'm looking out for. AMD, woo, did the same thing, did exactly what LCAOD said yesterday on the recap. Hit that like and subscribe button, y'all. Wow, 105 to 112. That is a lot of money today. So the chip stocks are AI is back. Artificial intelligence is back. It's not dying anywhere, you guys. So whoever said that or made that rumor, oh man, the bulls just said basically go to hell. Yeah, respectfully, because that's a lot of money today in one day for AMD and NVIDIA here. But 105 to 112 is a lot of money, seriously. And AMD's, like I said, right behind NVIDIA as far as that chip making stuff and the artificial intelligence stuff, man. It's amazing. But wow. So AMD's right back. It's like, and it's just like that buy the dip crowd, man. It's just like they step in and take over where like you can't even think about buying the dip when it's low because the moment you're thinking they're buying and it's going up. So it's like, wow, I should have just took the free ideas, the free advice from LCOD free game and just brought the dip because that's really what was happening. You know, that's really what happened today and took place. But still not done. It's still, you know, still a lot more levels to complete. And, you know, the market's not going to just stop, obviously. So, you know, still not done. Still not done. So AMD, you know, they hit the target right there, 112.99. Now going further here, it really just looks like, you know, tomorrow they want to continue this momentum. Next level tomorrow, you guys, is 113 if that holds and breaks through. They're going to try to break to about 114 to 115 here. If AMD, if NVIDIA keeps that momentum up, AMD will break out to at least 118. And, you know, the target really is about 120 on AMD going long. So just keep that in mind right now. And I don't know if that's long or it's about to happen tomorrow because the way NVIDIA and them are moving, it's possible right now, you guys. Just be on the lookout for this for real. So, but, you know, like I said, first levels first, be on the look to see if that 113 holds and, you know, go from there. It should get to 114 or 115. But, yeah, that's AMD to the upside. Now to the downside here. They could, you know, be taking profits. Obviously, that was a tremendous rally in one day. So to the downside, I'm expecting a pullback here to about 112. If 112 don't hold, the next level I'm looking at for is 111 here. You know, and if that don't hold in here, I expect a pullback to about 110 on AMD, and they'll probably consolidate right there, just to, you know, see where they're heading. What's going on with this AI stuff. So it can go either way. Be on the lookout for that going into tomorrow, you guys. But that's it, pretty much it. And remember, we got HD Home Depot earnings in the morning. It's going to kick off earnings for this week. So we're going to see what that's about with the retail data. And then SEC Limited, we're going to see what that's about with the retail data, you know. And they got earnings in the morning as well. So be on the lookout for these companies and earnings, man. Crypto had a pop today, but then it just sold off. It's still in the same area. So crypto and, you know, Bitcoin, all that stuff, it's consolidating. It's really just been in the same area for quite a while. I've really just noticed it. So, you know, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. If it's consolidating like that, that means the move is coming. Stay patient, stay humble, you guys. You know, your time is coming soon with that crypto. And when that time for crypto comes, just know it's gonna be bigger than worth the wait. I can say that. Breaking news: George grand jury begins voting on possible indictment. Whoa, what? NVIDIA stock jumped 7% after Morgan Stanley says chipmaker benefits from massive shift in AI. So that's pretty much what happened today, you guys. And yeah, man, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Stock future S&P 500 futures are a little changed on Monday evening, so a little mixed here with that breaking news on Trump. Georgia grand jury begins voting on possible indictment. So market a little mixed. But you know, S&P 500 futures are a little changed on Monday evening. We'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll see y'all tomorrow with another recap. And you know, good luck tomorrow, you guys. Good luck tomorrow. I think X is down though, y'all. For real, I think Twitter is down or something. It's just not working over here on my platform. So you guys check out what the indices closed like and what they opened like today. Check it out on your own time at Let Cash on Twitter, you guys. And, you know, you can get that really every day, every morning. You can see what the market is moving like, you know, what the market is like before it opens. And, you know, it gives you an idea what could possibly you could do to be profitable for that day. So look into that, man. Look into that. Add me on, add the company on Twitter and let cash, man. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm gonna wrap it up. That's pretty much it, you guys. Y'all have a wonderful night. I'll see y'all tomorrow with another recap. This was the recap with LCAOD. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.